welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find the area of a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, there's actually a formula. A formula is the way to do something step by step, written down in variables, which is letters, and in variables. And it's used in science and math. So the formula for finding the area of a triangle is A, and A would stand for area. A equals B, which would equal base, times H, which would equal height, times 1/2. So I have set up an example for us to do together. So first priority is finding each of base and height. So we're going to find the base in this picture. So the base would be 4, and the height would, some people may think that it may be 5, or you may think it may be 5 as well, but height goes straight up and down, so the height would actually be 3. Now, according to the formula, we're going to multiply base times height, which in this case is 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 would equal 12. Now, we're not done here yet. We still need to multiply 12 times 1/2. Another way to actually say the formula is area equals base times height, and then divide by 2. So even if you multiply by 1/2, or if you divide by 2, you would still get the exact same answer, because there's many ways to do one equation for math. So I'm going to be dividing by 2. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. And we still need to put the label on. And since the numbers in the picture, there's no label on them, like centimeters, inches, feet, yards, etc., we're going to put the label as units. And we're going to put units squared because we were finding the area. So it would be, the answer would be 6 units squared, or 6 square units. And this would be our answer. But now, what if they give us a question where they told us the area, but they're asking us to find one of the sides? Let's read this question. If the area is 75 square units, what is x? Meaning the area is 75 and we have to find the value of x, which is one of these sides. So we're going to look back at the formula to help us. So it says area equals base times height multiplied by 1/2. So we're going to take each of the letters in the formula and write it out using the numbers in this equation. So area would be 75, right here, 75. And then the base would be this 10 right here, 10. And we still don't know the height because it is this x right here. So we're going to put the x down, times 1/2 right here. So now we're going to have to solve this equation. Also, if you see 1/2, if you turn it into decimal form, it could also be written as 0.5. And this will really help us in finding the answer. So if we go through with the equation, it would be 10 times x times 0.5. But since we don't know the value of x yet, we're going to leave the x and pretend that it's not there. So we're going to do 10 times 0.5, which would equal 5. So we're going to rewrite the equation. 75 equals 5 times, since we still don't know the value of x, we're going to do x. Now we're going to think, what times 5, because we have the 5 right here, and this is the what times 5 equals the answer of 75. So to get that answer, we are going to divide 75 by 5. So we're just going to write that out and solve it. 75 divided by 5. 5 goes into 7 once. And we're going to subtract and bring down the next number. And 5 goes into 25 perfectly. 5 times. Subtract. And we get an answer of 0. That means 15 is our answer. But we still need to put the label. And again, in this question, they have not given a label for the numbers. So we're going to put units again. But we are not going to put units squared because we were not finding the area in this question. The area was already given. We're finding one of the sides. So it would be just 15 units. And that would be it. This would be our answer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like or subscribe to my video and to my channel. Make sure to comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!